Hi everyone, I'm Vandana Rai from Immigration Advisors New Zealand, and I'm here today to tell you about character offences and the implications it can have on your visa applications. So there are certain character offences which if you get convicted for, will make you ineligible for further visas unless you are granted a character waiver. So just to give you an idea, it could be relating to drink driving having consumed excessive alcohol, it could be dangerous driving, or it could be an instance where you have submitted false misleading documents to immigration knowingly, unknowingly, and you've got into a situation where cannot get an application approved unless you are granted a character waiver. So my advice in that space would be, please stay away from that situation as much as you can. So if you are new to the country, please know the rules of the land before you start driving, before you start doing anything. Know what you are submitting to Immigration New Zealand in your application. Cannot happen that you don't know what your agent, offshore agent, advisor submitted on your behalf, because your application and you are responsible for all the documents that have gone there. If there is a false document, you would have to put in an explanation, request for a character waiver, won't get an application approved otherwise. If you are new to the country, know the rules of the land, driving rules, shouldn't get into a situation where you unknowingly, unintentionally get into a situation which is a situation which wants you to request for a character waiver. It will involve a lot of stress, it will involve a lot of money and uncertainty for your further visas. However, if you've already got into a situation, we are there to help. So we've successfully managed a lot of character waivers approved, and I would request you to seek help from any one of the advisors, or please contact us if you have a conviction for drink driving, for dangerous driving, for any issue with immigration on submission of documents unknowingly submitted and immigration deeming it as fraudulent or misleading information in that space, we can help you for character waivers or special directions as the need be. So what are the situations, what are the reasons that will go in your favor or can be explained for a successful character waiver request? So there's so many things. So it has to be a case specific, every case is different, but just to give you an idea, how long ago the incident happened? Is it a very recent one? Is it a very old one? So if the incident happened a long time back and then you've not repeated the same thereafter, a good reason to put forward that you're not going to repeat it. It was one-off incident. If it happened recently, the surrounding circumstances around that. Why did it happen? What led to it? Was it an intentional error? Was it an unintentional situation that you got into? What are the documents? Just by saying, no, I wasn't aware and it happened, won't help. So whatever you say has to be backed up with documentary evidence. At times you may not feel, or you feel that there's no documentary evidence that you can give, but yes, when we start asking questions to our clients, they realize that yes, there are a lot of documentary evidence that can be provided in that space to confirm to immigration that it wasn't an intentional error, or it wasn't something that you are most likely to do in times to come, or the surrounding circumstances around that space of the offense that has happened for you. Another thing that probably needs to build up your case for a character waiver, how can you contribute to the society? How have you been contributing in the past? What contributions you are most likely to make? And just by weighing on the balance of probability, what are your chances to repeat an offense like that? So so many things which can be gathered, documents which go in your favor, please seek immigration advice from any one of the advisors that you are in touch with. Please contact us. We've successfully managed to do that in past and would be happy to help you with your character waiver request. And if possible, please stay away from offences. If you've already got into one, we are there to help. Thank you.